Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza at home. Let's begin by crafting the perfect dough, the foundation of any great pizza. You'll need about 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 180 milliliters of warm water, 7 grams of active dry yeast, 5 grams of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a fantastic crust. Next, let's talk about the sauce and toppings. A quick homemade sauce can be made with crushed tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. For toppings, choose what you love. Popular options include thinly sliced pepperoni, fresh mushrooms, or colorful bell peppers. Don't forget the cheese. About 150 grams of shredded low-moisture mozzarella is ideal for a perfect, bubbly melt. Fresh ingredients truly make a difference here. Now for the exciting part, assembling and baking your pizza. First, gently stretch your proof dough into a round, approximately 12 inches in diameter. Transfer it to a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Spread your delicious sauce evenly, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Then, generously add your cheese and chosen toppings. Bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, until golden brown. Once your pizza emerges from the oven, looking golden and bubbly, it's almost time to enjoy. For an extra touch, you might drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil or sprinkle some fresh basil leaves over the top. Allow the pizza to cool for about 5 minutes before slicing into 8 generous pieces. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Now, savor every bite of your incredible homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.